Hi guys, here we are, odd count peyote stitch. Uh, each time when you need to have even sides on your bracelet or on any your work, then you are going to use odd count peyote stitch. Ring, for example, also ring bands are made in, let me see now, in here it is in odd count peyote stitch 1 2 3 4 5 beads. This is the ring band with the 5 beads, just in order to make the sides even, so that ring band is in the middle of the ring. So for example, in this bracelet, this is the central point, and sides are the same, sides are even. Here, this is also the center point, and we need to have then the even sides. So now we are going to learn, and also when you do decreasing in odd count peyote stitch, you will have even sides. You see, I have here 4 beads diagonal, and here I have 4 beads diagonal. If I did that, I have also braces for that in even count peyote stitch, then one side will be longer. For example, it will have more beads. This one has 1 2 3 4 5 6 here, 1 2 3 4 5. So in this case, when the pattern is a little bit a lot of colors and shapes, then that is not so visible, and it's possible to make it like this, because the center points are not so visible. But when you have really ring bands or something where it's very important to have even sides, then yes, you have to use and make it as an even, as a odd count peyote stitch. So it's not that people are very happy when they have to do odd count peyote stitch. I will show you the ways how to do it. It doesn't have to be difficult. It's not. It's just one a little bit, one turn a little bit too much, and but don't be afraid of it. You will love it when you know what kind of effect and you can get. Then it is not going to be the problem for you to make it. So in the next lesson, we are going to start with an odd count peyote stitch. See you in the next lesson.